Welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest trend in interior design. In today's video, we have something stunning 3D wallpaper wall design to share with you. We will be showcasing three unique patterns, line pattern, cube pattern and the latest light and minimalist design. So let's dive right in. First up, we have the line pattern wallpaper design. This design is perfect for adding uh, design, depth and visual interest to your walls. The lines create an illusion of movement and can completely transform a space. Let's take a closer look. As you can see, the light pattern design consists of various intersecting lines that create an intricate and mesmerizing pattern. This design is available in different colors, allowing you to choose the one that best suits your style and existing decor. Here we have some samples showcasing the line pattern design in different colors options, from bold and vibrant hues to more subtle and neutral tones. There's something for everyone's taste. Now let's move on the cube pattern design. This design added touch of geometric elegance to any space. The cubes create a three-dimensional effect that catches the eye and gives your walls a modern and sophisticated look. Take a look at this stunning cube pattern design. The cubes are arranged in a precise and balanced manner, creating a captivating visual effect. This design works particularly well in contemporary or minimalist interiors. We have a variety of cube pattern variations to showcase. Some features monochromatic tones for a sleek and understanding look, while others incorporate vibrant colors for a bolder statement. You can mix and match the design to create a personalized and unique wall decor. Lastly, we have the last trend in 3D wallpaper wall design, light and minimalist. This design is all about simplicity and sophistication, using light and shadows to create a serene and calming atmosphere. Look at how beautifully the light and minimalist design add a touch of elegance to this space. The subtle interplay of light and shadow creates a peaceful ambience, perfect for bedroom or relaxation areas. Let's explore some variations of the light and minimalist design. From delicate floral pattern to abstract shape, these wallpapers evoke a sense of tranquility and harmony. This soft colors and gentle texture will create a serene environment in any room. And there you have it. Three amazing wallpaper wall designs, line pattern, cube pattern, and the latest light and minimalist design. These designs offer a plethora of options to transform your walls and elevate your interior decor. Whether you prefer bold and vibrant pattern or a more subtle and minimalistic look, there's something for everyone. We hope you enjoyed this video and found inspiration for your next home improvement project. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more design. Before we wrap up, I'd like to invite you to explore more inspiring video on our channel. We have a treasure trove of architectural wonders, interior design tips, and much more waiting for you. Be sure to check out our other video by clicking on the playlist in the description below, and don't miss out on the opportunity to fuel your creative aspirations. Dive into our channel and discover a world of endless possibilities. Thank you for being a part of our community, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. And also, I had like to tell you about uh, many videos on our channel on bed modern designs, ceiling design, exterior house model design, dining design, and more other that inspired you and also help you to inspire the home decoration ideas. We all welcome you in our channel, so please visit our channel to see you more trend design for your home decor. And down, hit the subscribe button and also like the press button. And also let us know in the comment which design and which wallpaper you like the most. Thank you so much.